Understanding the phrase, time to spare. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, time to spare. This phrase is quite common in everyday conversations and various contexts. Understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of English expressions. Let's dive in. The phrase, time to spare, refers to having more time available than is necessary. It's when you have extra time on your hands, allowing you to do something else or simply relax. For example, if you finish a task early and still have time left over, you can say you have time to spare. To understand this phrase better, let's see it in action with some examples. I finished my work early, so I have some time to spare before the meeting. If you have time to spare after shopping, maybe we can grab a coffee. These sentences show how the phrase is used to indicate additional, unused time. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, time on one's hands. It also means having free or extra time. Ahead of schedule. This indicates completing something earlier than planned, thus having extra time. Understanding these similar expressions helps you enrich your language and gives you options in different contexts. In many English-speaking cultures, having time to spare is often seen positively, as it indicates good time management. However, it's also common to find activities to fill this spare time, as productivity and staying busy are valued in these cultures. That's all about the phrase, time to spare. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning such phrases not only improves your language skills but also helps you connect better in English-speaking environments. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.